Yeah, so we built two identical houses in the year 2025, and then we discovered that the cost for one building actually differs from the next building, even though they had the same floor plan, the same size of rooms, the same structural elements. But at the end of the day, while building the second house, I discovered that this other second house actually differs in cost. And then I asked myself, what happened? What changed? At the process, I discovered that it was actually the block type which we used that was actually the difference. Because this first structure which we actually built in Delta State, we actually made use of 6 inches hollow blocks. The foundation pouring, we made use of a different inches. So when going to build the same building, the same floor plan, the same structural components, the same room sizes, the same roof size, everything, I discovered that this building takes up a lot of budget than the previous one. And then what changed? On the second building we actually built in Benin City, I saw that we used a 9 inches blocks for this structure. And since the 9 inches blocks is different from a 6 inches block for the previous project we did, I saw that that is where we are having issues on cost. Because first of all, the mortar which is going to be used to fill up or build the blocks is going to be much larger than the one for 6 inches blocks. So if you're using a 6 inches blocks, you have to know that your mortar or the cement you're going to buy is not going to be much like someone who is using a 9 inches blocks to build. And what did I notice again? I noticed that the stones, that is the chippings, and the sand consumption for the second building, which was used, which we used the 9 inches blocks for, was a lot higher, because the thickness for it is higher than the 6 inches. So it takes up a lot of cement, a lot of sand, a lot of stone. It takes up this lot of material. So if you're planning to build your house and you're on a budget, we have different types of blocks, and you have to understand that blocks affect the cost of building a house. I actually discovered this myself, and that is why I'm telling this to you. So if you're on a budget, we have different sizes of blocks you can use. We have the 5 inches blocks. The 5 inches blocks most times is used for building fences and the rest. We have the 6 inches blocks. For the 6 inches blocks is mostly used for internal walls, external walls, and also buildings that are not high-rise buildings. So we have the 9 inches blocks. The 9 inches blocks is mostly used for building duplexes. Also, it is not highly recommended for high-story buildings like multiple storied buildings. What is mostly recommended for multiple storied buildings is the 6 inches blocks, because it is light in nature. And the 6 inches blocks that is always recommended for high storied buildings is the 6 inches hollow blocks, not the 6 inches solid block. So we have different types of blocks. We have the hollow blocks and the solid blocks. The solid blocks consumes more cement than the hollow blocks. So, and with that also, it can increase the cost of building a house. So you ask yourself, how many blocks do I expect to get from a 1 bag of cement if I'm to mold my blocks today? If you're about to mold your blocks, you're expecting to get 40 pieces of blocks from a 1 bag of cement for a 5 inches block, and you're expected to get 30 to 35 pieces of blocks for a 6 inches hollow block from 1 bag of cement, and for a 9 inches block you're expected to get 20 to 25 pieces of blocks from a 1 bag of cement for a 9 inches block. This is the standard for block molding that you need to get a good quality from. If you get a lesser quality for your blocks, it also affects the cost of building your house because of damage. When they are about to pack these blocks, it gets damaged, and if you get damage for over 10 bags of cement, it's waste. You get it? So these are the tips for you if you're planning to build, if you're planning to get blocks for your building. This is the first tip, so that you do not end up buying a lot of cement and wasting money on things that you should have moved past. So if you have anybody who is trying to build, you can send them this video before they can start molding blocks, so that they understand the different aspects of blocks and how they can affect their budget and their timeline. So thanks for watching the video. God bless you. Bye bye.